Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the pound dollar. I'm on the weekly chart at the moment. Look at the key levels. Now we had a hefty sell-off last night after Fed Chair Powell was discussing the fact that we may well have much higher interest rates in the US than expected. So just a quick review here. I've been monitoring this range. This is last year's high to low. We failed at the 62% retracement of that yearly range, potentially forming a double top, and we did trade below the midpoint here yesterday, closing below that level. In fact, that level's at 118.41, so we're trading at 118.31 at the moment. Now we may not just break down and through, we could false break this area for a little while, but we should be aware now that potentially this double top pattern is going to come into fruition and we could see a much larger decline. So let's just drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, so on the day chart, here's that weekly double top. I've drawn a fib from high to the midpoint low here and coming up with a price projection. So if this is a true double top, we could trade down now towards the 200% level, which is down here at 112.35. Rough maths at the moment, that's about a 600 pip move down from where we're at the moment. So we could see a long-term decline down now on the pound dollar. So with that in mind, let's drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart now, if you're not already short, how can we get short? We might not rally, but I don't like to sell at the bottom of a move, and we could false break this 118.41 weekly support level here that we've closed below. So I would be watching for a rally. Now 119.15 is a daily broken support level. It's also very close to last week's low that we've broken below. So looking for the opportunity to sell a rally would be the best thing to look for. Is can price come back up to retest and hold at the 119.15 level up here, and then can you see you set up to sell, trade down in line with that double top. Alright, so let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and just refine the area a little bit. Alright traders, now it may not happen today, but it could happen today, or it may not happen at all. We have closed below the 118.41 level. We may just continue to trade down, and all that might happen today is that we simply come up to the 118.41 level, hold intraday, and then continue to decline. But to me, that's just too far down the move to look for a sell. So I'm watching an area up here. We've got the 11900 level, central pivot point is just a few pips above, and then we've got the 119.15 daily support level that's broken, so expect that to be resistance. So I'll be watching up here at the 11900 level to the 119.15 level. Can price rally up to that area, hold and fail, can you see you set up to sell, to trade down in line with that double top. Alright, there's a very good chance that we may false break 18.41 in the short term, so look for a rally back up to the 1900 level, up to 19.15, the daily resistance level. Now can price rally, hold and fail for the next decline, for that long-term move down in line with the double top pattern. And finally traders, if you have the time, join me at tonight's webinar where I'll be discussing how to trade the range using Fibonacci. You can register by using the link in the description below.